Morning YouTube, we're off to Windermere and today we're paddleboarding. It's a lovely crisp sunny morning, but before we get going we've got to clear the frost off the windscreen. It's like a mill pond, absolutely beautiful. It's fresh, but it's flat. There's Dave and Stu up ahead. It's been a long while since I've been out on the board. I've forgotten how to go in a straight line. Barracuda twins. So this is Windermere, the lake that's in the news for being highly polluted at the moment. Is that right? Full of sewage. Doesn't look too bad here. No green algae. Yeah.
Dave and Steve, right in town. What's that?
Oh, are they?
You want a beer in town?
Right, I might just do that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's a bit of a little rock just poking out there just under the water. Can't see the bottom yet. Looks like it's on its own, that swan. Oh, you might not get through there, Dave, with your big fins. Yeah, that's a weird. Look how that's shooting across there. Yeah, that's weird, that. It's really quick. The reflection of the sun just trying to poke its way through. It's quite hypnotic, that, just looking at that. Ooh. Oh, I'm losing my balance. how the other half live. Can't blame them. Dave's doing a bit of yoga there, look. So I'm out on the Hydroforce Oceana paddleboard, 10 foot, 6 inch deep, which you do feel the benefits of compared to the, I think it's 4.5 or 4.75 inch. That extra depth just makes all the difference in stability, I think. Got the bungee straps on the front there. I've just got my dry bag tucked away with a few snacks and my water. All good. So this is Windermere, the biggest lake in the Lake District, which is currently in the news at the moment due to all the pollution that's being pumped into the lake by United Utilities. And there's several celebrities involved, like Steve Coogan, Lee Mack, Paul Whitehouse. They're all campaigning to get this stopped, and there is a petition you can sign. If you go on the Save Windermere website, there's a petition you can sign on there to try and get it stopped and spoiling this amazing, beautiful lake. It's happened before in other lakes apparently, and it's just killed all the wildlife over time, starving the lake of oxygen, which kills all the invertebrates which the fish can't then feed on, and they die, and all the birds that eat the fish and otters and stuff like that. That's the designated paddleboard parking space for I assume whoever owns this. It's not a bad little spot, is it? Imagine sitting there with a beer or a G&T. Wow, that's amazing. He's got a roller shutter door on his boathouse. It's more than I've got on my garage. Alright, I'm lagging behind here. See the bottom here? It's about 4 foot deep or something like that. Like I said earlier, it's an absolute mill pond. Right, looks like I found the mobile phone. Unfortunately, I've had to jump in to get it, and I'm going to have to go under to get it. Oh God! I've got my fleece. I've just remembered I've got my fleece on. Oh well, I've got to get it. Right. I'll take my bobble hat off. I might need that to warm up. Right, here we go. Oh, bloody hell. Apple iPhone, look at that. iPhone, my eyes aren't good enough. If this switches on, I'll be amazed. I don't think it will. Ooh, them buttons feel a bit. It's not switching on, it's got a cracked screen, so it looks like it's been down there a while. But yeah, there you go. I've been searching for one of them snorkeling for years. Never found one. Good test of the wetsuit, I suppose. Way! These Barracuda Aqua Spirits are classed as a cup with a kicking cur. Kneel up paddleboard. Oh, Dave's back on a sup now. Sit up paddleboard. Can't blame him though, we've been out for what, hour and a half now, is it? Look at his weight from one side and from the other. Way! Yep. And to your left, you'll notice 3 paddleboarders who haven't got a clue what they're doing. Time to get on your knees. He's done that on purpose, I bet. Look at that. We're going to be back where we started in a minute. Oi! Bloody hell, there's a fair current there, isn't there? You're going to be under quayside in a minute. I am as well in a minute if I don't watch it. Look at it dragging you under there. You don't. Nope. Nearly under there. That's us nearly back now. Been out on the water for a couple of hours. Very pleasant indeed. Really enjoyed that. Didn't fall in, but I did voluntarily go in, collecting that iPhone, which I shall be drying out when I get home. I'm trying to power it on, but I'm not very hopeful. It didn't look in the best of condition, but I have fulfilled one of my goals in life with regards to my snorkeling exploits, albeit I'm not wearing a snorkel today, but I have managed to find an iPhone. So that's a tick in a box. Right, that's us nearly at the end now. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button as well. And if you want to keep updated with future videos, click on that bell icon. Okay, well, from us here in Windermere in the Lake District, from Dave, Stu and myself, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.